Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or I like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decor ideas. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about rainbow cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most sensitive, that is most creative for beautiful birthday for baby girls. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. These cake designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I hope you love my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like, to share my YouTube video. I hope this design, this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very something and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. Cake decor ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas task special to bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas, specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching my cake designs. Allah Hafiz.